1930s. Tupper seed cleaner. This is what I clean the popcorn with. Out feed for big chunks like corn cobs. The chaff comes out here, or it comes out in here. This is the call seed. Stuff's too small. Down inside of there, you can barely see it, is the clean grain. The grain goes down through the top of this machine, and it goes through. The big stuff gets caught on this screen and taken on out, and the rest drops on through, where it sorts it not only for size, but it also takes the dirt out, and it shakes, drops the seed down inside. So we'll start it up here and tall seed. You can see the chunk coming off. Very hard to see down inside there. This is your clean grain. Dump another one in there and see if we can. Kind of hard to do this by yourself. Another little corn cob there. Green grain coming out the bottom. Stuff is too small or dirty goes out here. And sometimes they're just in between, so I gotta tap it on the bottom. I like my 1930s technology. Works real good. Get nice clean popcorn from it. All the big seeds right here. All the teeny tiny small ones.